Okay, I'll just show you the best way, in my opinion anyway, to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Focus. It's on from any screen. It's on sat nav at the moment. Normally you have controls here to do stuff, but you've got source and sound, and that's about it, and display. But over here in the left hand side you've got a arrow pointing up and controls. If we click controls, it brings up the bottom menu. Then you've got phone there. Easiest way is to go to settings, then to Bluetooth. Then you see there Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, view devices. So if I click on view devices, you see my phone, Barry's iPhone 11. So I'll click on that. Then you can either connect phone and media, connect media, or delete. I want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in the this 2017 Ford Focus. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on there. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I just meant to scroll up. So we look at the bottom here. On the actual unit itself, you can do it two ways. The easiest way, click on phone. Oh, but sorry, first of all, if I go to navigation, if there's nothing showing, we'll just wait for it to go off. There you go, the controls. If there's nothing showing, you just go to controls there, click controls, the bottom menu comes up, click phone, and you've got pair phone, click pair phone.
And select it once it is found.
So Ford Focus, it's showing there, but I'm going to click discover Bluetooth devices.
One of the devices found by sync.
Until it shows that the units pick my phone up. My phone had picked the unit up, but the unit hadn't picked the phone up. It always pairs better this way. So click Barry's iPhone. We'll watch for it coming. There you go.
Displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So 352575, yes, pair, and click yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'll do it
For
today.
your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
I don't want it to download my contacts, otherwise it'll take too long. But that's it. Ford Focus, that's it, connected. Now I'll just show you how to stream audio as well. If you go to your iTunes here, we'll put something else on. I don't want to be listening to that. Oh, that's it, Rolling Stones. If you look at the bottom there, you'll see Ford Focus. Now there has been an update. It used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 silver circles that you can hardly see. There's a tick next to Ford Focus. iPhone there, tick next to Ford Focus. I'm going to turn that down. Then we go over to the unit. As I say, you see the source button there, but from whatever screen you're on, that menu bar at the bottom will disappear in a second. So we'll just wait for it to go. Right, so you can change from here source, the easiest way to change radio station from AM to FM to DAB and so on. But controls over there in the left hand side with the triangle, click on there, and then you've got here settings, mobile apps, navigation, phone and audio. We click on audio, and then sources at the top, sources. You see Bluetooth, Barry's phone there with the Bluetooth sound. So that's come on there. So if I turn this up, it's showing what's going to play there, and then I'll just turn it up on my phone. Also, this system with the Apple CarPlay, if you plug your phone in like so, you will see there it kind of duplicates your phone screen, so you can use your phone through this through the control system here. So you've got messages, audio books, whatever you've got, and you can just scroll through them, listen to anything. There you go, Audible. And if I turn that up,
164 miles in any direction.
Fantastic system. Music. We'll go to iTunes, find iTunes on there, and let's just turn it up. So great system in the Ford, absolutely second to none.